Today I am sewing a blouse pattern designed for non-stretch fabrics. I am using same fabric strings for closure, which makes this blouse easy to sew even if you don't yet know how to sew buttons. You can find this pattern in the video description. Cut out the pattern and glue the pages together with sticky tape. I am sewing this pattern from tulle fabric, so I don't need to worry about finishing the fabric edges. You can finish the raw edges with a serger or with bias binding. I am cutting this pattern with a 1 centimeter seam allowance, but if you think you will need fitting adjustments, or if you are working with a difficult fabric, you may want to add a larger seam allowance of about 2 centimeters. Since this pattern is fitted and designed for non-stretch fabrics, you can expect to make more or fewer alterations. To achieve the perfect fit, sew the blouse's vertical seams and shoulders, then try it on and make any necessary fitting adjustments. Sew the sleeve seams and check whether you are happy with the sleeve length. Cut out the bottom ruffles. I finished their edges with a baby lock seam, but you can simply fold and sew the edge with a regular sewing machine. I gather the ruffles by hand because it gives me the best control over the final length. Attach the ruffles to the edge of the sleeve. For the closure, I am using strips made from the same fabric. Sew them into the fabric edge, which is folded twice. The end of each tie is hidden between the 2 layers of blouse fabric. Here I am hand basting the hem. That's it for today. Good luck with your sewing project.